Talan Products is a company that manufactures high-volume metal stampings and fabricated aluminum extrusions. Our team is approaching 100 people, most of whom are on the shop floor, smashing out parts in our high-speed or high-tonnage equipment. Our core values are what make us who we are. Our core values begin with safety. We are big on training, spending several times the industry average in dollars and in man-hours, and much of that is devoted to safety. The payoff for us is that we have worked about 1 million man-hours with only one lost time accident. Our next value is collaboration. We work as a team and invite ideas from everyone. Next up is tenacity. We say we're going to do it, we do it. Then there is respect. We respect each other and work as a team. Mainly, we use punch press equipment to smash metal into parts. Our process is called progressive die metal stamping. We have a video explaining it in greater detail on our YouTube channel. Coils of material are fed into a punch press machine in exacting amounts with each stroke of the machine. We have dies that have typically multiple stations where work is done. We have dies that often use 4 or more stations to create the finished part. Each stroke of the machine, the coil is fed to the next station until the part is complete and ejected, and the scrap, or remainder, is collected and recycled. Our plant has offices, a production floor where the punch presses are, a tool room where the dies are maintained, a quality assurance lab, and a shipping area. When a customer order for parts comes into our offices, the order is then checked and put into our system. Material, coils of steel or length of extrusions, are ordered. The material arrives at our shipping department and is moved to where it awaits being loaded into a machine. The tool room will make sure that the die is ready to run. When the machine is ready, die setters will put the die into the punch press. Every die makes a unique part. Next, the coil is loaded and the first few hits are made. Those parts then go to the QA lab, where the QA engineer or inspector will make sure they are conforming to all specifications. They may be checked using complex measuring machines. Then a production operator gets the okay to make the parts. Some dies are very complex, and more than one part is made with every stroke. Those are called multiple out dies, and it makes it very efficient. The parts are then packaged by a packaging person and placed in a queue to be shipped or placed into inventory. When the order is due, a truck is scheduled and the parts are loaded and shipped to the customer. We have a variety of office workers doing sales, estimating of new jobs, bidding new jobs, taking orders, ordering the raw material, accounting, and human resources. Most of our 85-person staff is on the shop floor. The tool room people who build and maintain the dies. We have maintenance people for mechanical, electrical, and plumbing. We have forklift operators moving around the raw materials and finished parts. We have die setters. We have machine operators making the parts. We have our shipping people keeping the material flowing in and the parts flowing out. We all work together as a team here at Talan Products, safely and efficiently, to be a high-performing manufacturing company.